Daniel, what if we finally visit Paris?
That sounds amazing. Let's do it.
Daniel, while we're packing for Paris, why don't we teach 20 common English mistakes?
Perfect! We can fix one mistake at every step of our journey.
Daniel, is it correct to say he go to Paris?
Almost. The correct sentence is, he goes to Paris.
Ah, because it's he, she, or it. Got it.
Daniel, she don't like coffee.
Almost. It should be, she doesn't like coffee.
Right. Thanks, Daniel.
You're improving every day.
Daniel, I am agree with this flight.
Almost. The correct phrase is, I agree.
I agree with this flight.
Perfect. That's exactly right.
Daniel, he have passport? Almost.
The correct sentence is, he has a passport. He has a passport.
Got it. Perfect.
You're improving every day.
Look, they is ready.
Actually, they are ready.
Oh, right. They are ready.
Exactly. Great job.
Daniel, can you open the light?
Sure. We usually say, turn on the light. I'll turn on the light.
Turn on the light. Got it. I think I did a mistake.
Almost. We say, I made a mistake.
Oh, right. I made a mistake. Daniel, let's discuss about tomorrow.
Almost. We simply say, let's discuss tomorrow.
Got it. Let's discuss tomorrow. Daniel, you're good in English.
Thank you, Hazal. But the correct phrase is, good at English.
Oh, right. You're good at English.
Perfect.
Let's listen music.
Almost. We say,
Let's listen to music. I didn't went yesterday.
the correct form is, I didn't go.
Oh, right. I didn't go yesterday. I'm boring.
No, you're bored.
This place is very unique.
Just say unique.
This map is more easier.
Just say easier.
I need some informations.
The word is information.
Oh, I need some information.
Perfect.
Look at all these peoples.
We simply say people.
Oh, right. Look at all these people.
Perfect English.
What's your good name?
In natural English, just ask, what's your name?
Oh, I see. What's your name? I'm Sophie. Nice to meet you. Yesterday night was beautiful.
We usually say last night.
We fixed 20 common English mistakes today.
And remember, small steps add up.